Alright, what's Stanford Store? It's a tool that lets us create our own sales page for courses, products, and more. It integrates social media profiles in one place. It's like Linktree, you know? You enter and see all the users' social media and products, but here you can also upload courses. They provide various examples, see? Like Zara's, where you can instantly access products, right? It also links to a page where we can view and buy the actual product. It's an easy way to set up our own store, got it? Plus, Stan Store's appealing because, despite the monthly fee, there's no commission on sales. We can click sign up and they'll ask for our info. Then we can start, okay? They'll charge us, of course. There's a free trial, but we'll need to enter card details. The free trial starts at $29/month. It includes a mobile optimized version, bio link, digital product uploads, URL links, course building, audience analytics, custom mobile app, 24/7 creator support, websites, subscriptions, and membership. The pro plan adds email marketing flows, discount codes, offers, affiliate links, and pixel tracking. Here are some reviews from people who've made money with this tool, okay? We also have examples, alright? If we scroll up, we can see one like Abby of You, okay? It lets us upload a fat loss guide for $20, buy now, and so on. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Very well. Are there better alternatives to Stan Store? Well, to be quick and direct, there are obviously cheaper alternatives than Stan Store's $29 monthly fee, right? Better options depend on what you're looking for, you know? Paying $29 monthly with no commission on uploads can be great if you don't sell much, okay? If we don't sell much, we don't generate many fees, so why pay $30 monthly? But if you're starting to make money, Stan Store is a very good option. Does that mean it's the best? In the world of website builders and such, it's an interesting option. Obviously, I know this might sound obvious, but it's much more efficient and optimal to create your own website, right? It's cheaper, you know, instead of $30 a month, it costs you about $8 a month. Of course, it requires more effort and learning, but it gives you more customization and unlimited possibilities. Okay, if you want to have a newsletter, you can. If you want to have a podcast and upload it to your website weekly, you can do that. If you want to have a blog and keep posting, you can do that too. All right, basically, you have all kinds of possibilities with your own website. So naturally, there are better alternatives. There are better options if you don't want to work beyond creating the product and recording the course. If you don't want to work on web development and want everything done as easily as possible. Well, it doesn't get much easier than Stan Store, right? That's the truth. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in future videos. Alright, let's take a look at Stan Store's pricing plan. For that, we'll head over to the pricing section. As you can see, it offers options to find the perfect plan for us, right? It starts at $29 a month or 97 cents a day, offering mobile optimized link in bio and store. It includes call scheduling, course building, audience analytics, Instagram auto DMs, community and webinars. You get digital products, links, tabs, lead magnets, an email list. There's a custom mobile app and 24/7 creator support. It also includes subscriptions and memberships. For $100 a month, you get pro features like marketing flows, discount codes, upsells, and affiliate tracking. So those are the payment plans in a nutshell.